How to access your iPad if you've forgotten the passcode and you're locked out. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. The first thing you'll need is a USB-C cable, and you'll need to plug one end into your iPad and the other end into a computer or laptop. Now once your iPad is connected to a computer, make sure the device is turned on like this. You then need to press down the following keys on your iPad. So we're going to quickly tap the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button at the top of the device. Now you need to continue to hold this button down until eventually the screen goes black. Continue to hold the button down until you see the Apple logo appear. After about 5 more seconds of holding the button down, you should see the Apple recovery page appear on the iPad. Now once you're on this recovery window, you can head over to your computer. So from your computer, if you're on a Mac, you can just open up your Finder and you should be able to click on your iPad from the left hand side. If you're on a Windows computer like this, then open up the Start menu and go and load up the Microsoft Store. In the search box, type in Apple Devices, and you need to install this app here, which is Apple Devices. As you can see, I already have this installed. So once you've installed this, click on Open, and it should detect your iPad like this, and you'll have 2 options to either update or restore the iPad. So because we've forgotten the passcode, you need to press Restore iPad, and then you can basically go through the steps on the screen to restore your iPad back to its factory settings.